You're watching Republic TV. I'm Richa Sharma. And for the viewers that are just tuning in, a high drama is being witnessed at the Ghazipur border. And heavy security deployment as protesting farmers have been asked to vacate the border area. Remember, Rakesh Tikait, one of the farmer union leaders, has refused to budge and refused to move from that spot. Going across to my colleague Sumi now, joining us live. Sumi, over to you. Please share what's happening right now.
Yes, Richa, what we are learning right now is high voltage drama is certainly expected at midnight, because till midnight the UP administration has given the farmer unions the time to vacate the place, and that is what exactly is happening right now, because the entire agitation is getting wrapped up. Because I would also like to request my video journalist to kindly pan the camera and zoom in to the queue of tractors that are waiting there to evacuate NH24, the Ghazipur border. In fact, they have queued up in huge numbers, and the entire pack of the langars, all the tents have already happened, and the farmer leaders have also, prepared their minds to and they certainly know that they will get arrested, because till midnight they have time to evacuate on their own. Otherwise, a lot of force will certainly be applied on them, and they will be imposed. They will be certainly, forced to move out of Ghazipur border. And we see the bus that had been, stationed here for more than 60 days is already moving. The tractors from there are almost ready to move. And most of the farmers are also, have boarded these tractors. And this agitation certainly doesn't look like what it had started with, because we had seen a lot of stalls, tons of stalls already functioning, and a whole lot of farmers placed here, camping here for more than 60 days. But certainly what it looks like now is it's close. It's very much close to a wrap up, and within a couple of hours, the entire agitation, the entire road will get empty, because they are certainly moving towards it. As we can see, the buses have started moving, the tractors have started moving, the farmer leaders have already boarded the bus. And remember, Rakesh Tikait had been given the notice by the ADM, and the Ghazipur administration had also made it very clear that they need to evacuate, otherwise forces will be applied on them, and they will be evacuated within 5 hours now.
In fact, Sumi, if we read out from the notice that has been issued against Tikait, it reads as to how they have been creating nuisance in that region. People of Delhi have to face a lot of problem for travelling as well if they do choose to travel from the Ghazipur border area. Apart from that, langars are being set up. That, in a way, chances for fire. Loudspeakers are being used that are disturbing patients and hospitals in that region, and no COVID protocols are being followed. So this is a law and order situation and a cause of concern for the people who are living around that border area as well.
Absolutely, Richa, that is given. They had been flouting all sorts of COVID protocols that had been set by the government. And in fact, when the media spoke to the farmers a few days ago about COVID, and during the tractor march and during the tractor trailer that they had taken out 15 days ago, before the 26th January rally, they were very vocal about, being unaware of COVID and being unaware, of the pandemic. That had been made very, very clear that COVID was never a pandemic for them. COVID was never a reality for them. We had never seen any farmers donning masks or any farmer maintaining social distancing norms. They were certainly far, far away from the reality. And that that is certainly given. And we never really saw any sort of protocol being taken very seriously by any of the farmers. And they were using all sorts of, a huge amount of alcohol was being consumed here. And the music was played here. And that is obviously given that a lot of traffic disruption has happened in the past, in the last 60 days. And that is the story of every border, be it Singhu, be it Tikri or the Ghazipur border. And remember, the businesses that are getting heavily affected because of the agitation since 60 days. A few days ago, we had also seen CAIT, CAT also releasing the figure, 50,000 crores of losses the businesses are incurring and are facing recently. So this is the amount, this is the gravity of the losses, this is the gravity of the agitation that the people have been facing. And now there is a lot of anger among the citizens of Delhi. because of the violence that had happened on the 26th of January, the entire public sentiment has turned against them, and they want, in fact, the commuters want, the commuters and the citizens of the entire nation want the farmers to vacate this very point, because we had also seen a lot of people, a lot of, a chunk of common man on the NH24 and, really making sloganeering against farmers and asking them to evacuate. And that certainly showed the kind of narrative that is, being played with the common man as well. And they're not certainly falling for any of the trap that the leaders are, setting them for. Rakesh Tikait tried leveling allegations against BJP, but common man is certainly not falling into them. And we also see a lot of movement happening there. Probably the farmer leaders will be, now evacuating, and they are certainly waiting for the media to go, so that the entire drama can be, probably shouldn't reach to the audience. And Rakesh Tikait had made it very clear that he will surrender this evening. But certainly what happened after that is he refused from, he refused to surrender. And Naresh Tikait had, his brother had certainly given this statement from his native village that he is pulling out his hand from the agitation. However, Rakesh Tikait was totally against it and said, I would not surrender, Richa.
In fact, Sumi, reminding our viewers that the entire nation was shocked after what happened in the national capital, where thousands of farmers who had promised to hold a peaceful tractor rally on the occasion of Republic Day had turned rogue, and the violence that erupted post that now a total of 33 FIRs have been filed by the Delhi police, along with sedition and UAPA charges that have been added as well against farmer leader Rakesh Tikait. And coming back to Sumi, we saw the reactions coming in from the farmer leader Rakesh Tikait, who remains defiant, who remains adamant that he will not move from that location despite the notice that has been put out to him.
बिल्कुल इस वक्त देखिए जो यहाँ पर समझाने की कोशिश है प्रशासन की ओर से वो लगातार यहाँ पर जारी है। कई तस्वीरें इस वक्त आप देख पा रहे हैं कि बातचीत के जरिए मामला हल हो जाए, इसकी एक कोशिश फिर से राकेश टिकैत इस वक्त अपना स्टेटमेंट दे रहे हैं। हम यही जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि आखिर उस स्टेटमेंट में अब क्या कहा जाता है, क्योंकि एक तरफ राकेश टिकैत ने ये कहा कि हम यहाँ से नहीं जाएंगे, हम यहाँ से नहीं हटेंगे, लेकिन सवाल यही है कि जब प्रशासन कह रहा है कि आपको यहाँ से हटना चाहिए, तो फिर क्यों सहयोग नहीं किया जा रहा है, क्यों एक तरह से माना नहीं जा रहा है। राकेश टिकैत जो अभी इस वक्त आप देख रहे हैं फिर से अपनी बातों को रख रहे हैं, और हम जरूर कोशिश करेंगे कि हम भी वहां तक जाएं। लिखिए इस वक्त जो टकराव की स्थिति है वो ना बने, प्रशासन की ओर से लगातार यही कोशिशें की जा रही हैं कि एक टकराव की जो स्थिति है वो ना बने, और यही होना भी चाहिए कि टकराव की स्थिति ना बने। एक जो मानने की कोशिश है वो यहाँ पर होनी चाहिए, लेकिन क्या मानते हैं राकेश टिकैत ये देखना बहुत अहम है। और फिलहाल इस वक्त वो फिर से बातचीत कर रहे हैं, और इस बातचीत में क्या एक रास्ता निकालने की कोशिश होती है या अभी भी अपनी जिद पर अड़े होते हैं राकेश टिकैत, ये जानना बेहद जरूरी है।